Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group powered by eXp Realty. Today we're at our latest listing in Santan Valley. Today we're at 35894 North Quiros Drive in Santan Valley. Now before heading inside, let's go take a look at the community. Okay, we are just down the street from the home at Empire Park. Now this park is really cool. It's got 4 baseball fields. 2 of them are actually multi-use. They could be softball or baseball. They could also be soccer fields. You also have a children's playground area, open ramadas, a volleyball pit, as well as basketball. And this is a short walk or bike ride from the home. Now, I know what you're thinking, Kevin, this is all great, but what about the location? Where are schools? Where's shopping? All that other stuff. Well, literally right behind the photographer is a school, and there's a new one up the street as well. Now, as far as shopping is concerned, you are within 10 minutes of anything you could possibly imagine. There's a QT about 2 miles from here. Chef Farms is a short drive as well. It's less than 2 miles. And you do have your Walmarts, your eateries, as well as a soon to arrive, less than 10 minutes from the home, a Costco. And we all know how fun it is to bulk shop like you're feeding an army, AKA your family. We are back at the home. Let's go over the specs on this one. It is 3,219 square feet. It is a 2-story, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, with a bonus room that is like a home theater or playroom and a loft. All right, let's go over the first floor on this property. First off, we have a kitchen that overlooks a giant 2-story great room. Now, off of the kitchen is a dining area. There is a separate dining room in this house that could also be doubled as a den. Also, there's one of the 2 masters that's on the first floor, as well as a half bathroom. Yeah, I did say 2 masters. All right, we are upstairs in the loft. It is a gigantic loft area. Next to the loft is one of the bedrooms. It is the other master suite. Now, across from me is the theater room or toy room, playroom, perfect for children, for hanging out, on a Sunday afternoon. You also have 2 other full-size bedrooms in here. They are oversized, and another bathroom. Let's go take a look at the outside. Now, this home is only 4 years old, and a lot of times what I'll run into is a yard that's incomplete on a home that's that new. That is not the case on this home. The sellers on this one, they put brick pavers for the back patio, as well as artificial turf over to the side. All right, we're at the next section of the yard. Back here we have a beautiful pool. Nowadays these will run you about $40,000 to $50,000 to put a pool in of this size, but don't worry about it, it's already done. What I also like back here is that there's no neighbor directly behind you. It's like a wash common area, so you're not close to your neighbors behind you. Over to the side here, we have more brick pavers, sitting area. Out there, it would be perfect for a grill. You also have a wide side yard with an RV gate. So if you have toy trailer, ski-doos that you want to tuck behind the fence, perfect location right there. The laundry room in the home is on the first floor. It is across from the Harry Potter closet. This laundry room does have its own sink area. So perfect, you don't have to run to the kitchen if you need to wash something out. You can do it right in the laundry room. Let's go check out the garage. Now, since I sold the seller of this home brand new, I got a little inside information on this garage. The standard for this home is to have a 3-car garage. However, they opted for the 3.5-car garage, which gave them the built-in area over here and a door off to the side. So a lot of times you'll see built-in cabinets in garages and they're not really usable because the car door will hit them. On this one, you don't have to worry about it. It's tucked out of the way. It's a perfect little work area. And this is a 3.5-car garage. Very rare. All right, well, Phil and I love to make it super simple to reach us if you'd like to schedule a showing. So you can call us at 480-305-6688 or go to our website, gosoldhomes.com. So until next time, bye.